So one additional thing I've done with these progress bars that I explained in my previous video to make them seem more like they exist in the 3D world instead of on a UI canvas is to now apply Z sorting based on their distance from the camera. So I made these progress bars a little bit bigger for the sake of this video. So you'll see as the train goes around the curve, this first car goes from being farther from the camera to being closer to the camera. And so what I'm doing is I'm sorting these progress bars based on the distance to the camera that that car is. So therefore, the closest progress bar shows on top. And how I've done this is basically with this line here. So what I'm doing is I'm subtracting the global position of the node that the progress bar is being unprojected from, and subtracting that from the camera's position, and then grabbing the distance, casting it to an integer, and then setting it to negative. And it needs to be negative so that the farther away it is, the farther back it is in the Z sorting. And then what I'm also doing here, just as a safety measure, is ensuring that the Z index I'm getting is greater than the canvas item Z-min from the rendering server. And now this is a constant that is set to 4096, or negative 4096 rather. And so that should be plenty of distance. Once it's at that distance, I fully intend to not be showing these progress bars anymore. Probably long before I get to that 4096 or negative 4096 value. So anyway, I hope this helps, and have a great day. Bye.